Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope आप लोग सब बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे, खुश होंगे और अपने घर में अपना family time enjoy कर रहे होंगे. So in today's video I will be sharing with you guys my home office makeover or my office reveal.
Like what you see, come and get it with me. I know you deserve all you want. 'Cause your heart's made of gold, but don't wait till you're old. If you want it, I'll get you some.
So I have been like working really hard and since a long time to transform one of my room into my home office or my filming space, a YouTube space or whatever you can call, so that I can just come here, sit down and just concentrate and focus on my work. So I just transformed my guest room into my home office since that room was empty and उतना ज़्यादा हमारे यूज़ में वो रूम नहीं आ रहा था. So I just thought of taking that room and transforming it into my home office. So for this room I haven't purchased anything, not even all the decor items, not even a single thing, not even a rug. I used whatever things I had around in my house and I just put it all together and made it work, and I absolutely love how this place turned out to be, and I hope that you guys will love it too. I had just put my heart and soul into this room and I cannot believe how well everything is tied in together and how everything flows in. Through this video I just wanted to show you guys that you don't have to spend a fortune to make over a room or anything. It's all the little things that you can put together and just turn any room in your house into what you actually want. So I hope you guys enjoy today's makeover or my home office reveal video. If you love this kind of a video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. I do all kind of home decor and lifestyle videos on my channel, and I hope you enjoy the content that I have been putting up on my channel. And I upload videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday, and some bonus videos on Saturday as well. I hope you guys have fun, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, let's get started with today's video. So this is how the before of this room looked like. I completely forgot to take a video before removing all my furniture from this room. I only had a bed here and it occupied the entire room, and it was of no use at all because we are only 3 people and we hardly use this room. So this is how the before looked like, and I cannot wait to show you guys how the after looks like. So this is how the after of this room turned out to be. So let me give you guys a 360-degree view of this room. So as soon as you enter here, this is how this whole room looks like, and I just love how functional and cohesive this room looks like, and I am absolutely in love with this room. So let's start from here. As soon as you enter, this is how this wall looks like. This is actually my backdrop or the thing that you see in all my videos. So these two shelves I already had in other places in my home, so I just thought that it will look good together here, so that's why I just put everything in here. And one thing I wanted to let you guys know about this room is that everything that you guys are seeing here, I already had it at my home, and I just shopped around my house and I got all the things in here. I haven't purchased anything that I have in this room. Everything I already had. I just utilized whatever I had, and I think it turned out to be amazing. So let's start from here. These two are the shelves. This one is from IKEA. This one I think is from Walmart. I just styled it with whatever home decor items that I had with me. So this is how everything looks like here in this shelf, and this is how everything looks over here. these picture frames, let me fix this. So these picture frames and this deer head over here, ये मैंने already like 3 साल पहले purchase किया था, but I could not find any place to put it up. So finally I found a place and I like it so much here in this way on top of this shelf, and I absolutely love it, and I just love how this wall turned out to be. Over here I just have a small sitting area. I already have my office space there and my makeup vanity here, but still I just wanted some sitting area in my office, so I just bought this chair from my living room and I just kept it here. I thought it looked really good in this corner in my office. And as for this plant, I thought of keeping it here in front of my mirror to take all the OOTD pictures, because I love dressing up and I love taking pictures, so I think it will look so good that way. And then moving on here, this is my office table, or you can say like where I sit and work and film my videos and edit my videos and all those sorts of things. So this is actually Ayush's study table, पर वो कभी भी अपना study table use नहीं करता था. He always used to sit in the living room or on the dining table and finish his homework. So I thought of utilizing it for me. And आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैंने यहाँ पे ये कॉर्नर में ये लैम्प और इस तरह से क्यों रखा है. So as you can see that this room has only one window here and no more natural light coming in. With the help of this light and lamp, I get some light in my videos and it makes a huge difference in the picture quality. So that's why I have it in that corner in my room, so it helps me to film my videos and have some more lighting in my videos. So that was that. And then moving on here, this is my makeup vanity, and you guys have already seen it. I just moved it from my room and I just kept it here. I thought this would be the perfect spot to just get ready and start my work and start filming, editing, or whatever things I needed to work on. And over here in this wall I just have this closet, and then I have the door. So this is my home office or makeup room or filming room, whatever you can call it to be. I absolutely love how this space turned out to be. And yes, I forgot to show you guys the rug. And this rug, I already had it. I used it previously in my dining room, but after I changed the layout and the furniture's there, so this rug was kept in the basement. So I thought this would be a perfect addition over here in this room, and it just ties everything together, like these shelf, this mirror, and all the furnitures in here in this room. Like it has gray and white, so since the whole room is all gray and white with a hint of pink and gold, so I think this looks so good and it ties everything all together. And I just love like how using the things that you already have around the house and just putting it all together, how you can change and transform any room and just make it look so good and make it work for you, for your needs. So yes, that was it for my office tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this home decor or this makeover kind of a video, then please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.